Incredible camping gear and gadgets on Amazon, 2025. When it comes to camping, the right gear can make all the difference between a fun, relaxing outdoor adventure and an uncomfortable, stressful experience. Fortunately, Amazon has become a treasure chest of innovative camping gadgets that not only make your trip easier, but also more enjoyable. With a range of options designed to offer comfort, convenience, and durability, these camping gear and gadgets are ideal for tackling the wilderness head-on while ensuring you stay comfortable and safe. Orastone Rechargeable Hand. One of the biggest challenges during outdoor adventures is staying warm, especially in cold conditions. The Orastone Rechargeable Hand Warmer is an innovative gadget designed to keep you warm during those chilly nights or cold weather hikes. Unlike disposable hand warmers, this rechargeable version provides long-lasting warmth and is eco-friendly, saving you money and reducing waste over time. With a sleek and ergonomic design, it fits comfortably in your hands, offering 2 heat settings that provide up to 12 hours of warmth. You can even use it as a power bank to charge your devices when needed, adding extra versatility to your outdoor setup. The Orastone Rechargeable Hand Warmer stands out because of its exceptional design and functionality. It uses high-quality lithium-ion batteries which deliver consistent and even warmth across the surface, ensuring your hands stay warm for hours. Whether you're holding it during a winter hike or sitting by the campfire at night, this gadget will keep you cozy without the need for constant replacements. Its compact size makes it easy to pack, and the fact that it can charge your phone or GPS adds even more value for long camping trips. It's a must-have for anyone who enjoys winter camping or hiking in colder climates. Lowa Renegade Evo GTX Hiking Boots. When it comes to hiking and camping, the importance of a good pair of boots cannot be overstated. The Lowa Renegade Evo GTX hiking boots are a standout choice for anyone serious about spending time outdoors. Designed with both comfort and durability in mind, these boots provide excellent ankle support, stability, and traction, even on rough terrain. Whether you're trekking through muddy trails, rocky paths, or snow-covered ground, these boots will keep your feet protected and comfortable. The Gore-Tex lining ensures that your feet stay dry, even in wet conditions, while the high-quality leather and synthetic materials offer long-lasting durability. Beyond comfort and performance, the Lowa Renegade Evo GTX hiking boots are designed with foot anatomy in mind, offering an ergonomic fit that helps reduce foot fatigue on long hikes. The boots' Vibram outsoles provide superior grip and traction, making them ideal for navigating challenging terrains. Additionally, their lightweight design means you won't feel weighed down on longer treks, making them the perfect balance between performance and comfort. If you're planning a hiking or camping trip where rugged terrain is involved, these boots are an absolute necessity for your outdoor gear collection. Anker 521 Portable Power Station. When you're camping, staying connected to power can be a challenge, especially if you rely on electronic devices like smartphones, cameras, or even portable fridges. The Anker 521 Portable Power Station is a game changer for anyone who wants to keep their devices charged while enjoying the great outdoors. With a capacity of 256 watt-hours, this compact yet powerful power station can charge multiple devices at once, from phones to laptops to small appliances. Its high-efficiency battery ensures that you get a reliable charge every time, while the multiple ports, AC, DC, and USB, give you flexibility depending on your charging needs. What makes the Anker 521 Portable Power Station stand out is its portability and ease of use. It's designed to be lightweight and easy to transport, making it an excellent choice for campers who need power on the go. Whether you're using it to charge your phone overnight or power a camping lantern or small heater, this device is built to last and handle various outdoor needs. It also features an eco-friendly, quiet operation, so you won't have to worry about disturbing the peace and quiet of nature. For anyone who wants to ensure they have a reliable power source in the wilderness, the Anker 521 Portable Power Station is a top-tier choice. Laffizz Outdoor Waterproof, Windproof Torch Lighter. A good lighter is an essential tool for any camping trip, but when conditions get tough, whether it's wind or rain, Having a reliable, high-performance lighter is crucial. The Laffizz Outdoor Waterproof, windproof torch lighter is engineered for extreme conditions, ensuring that you can start a fire no matter what the weather throws at you. Featuring a powerful torch flame, this lighter can withstand gusty winds and even light and wet conditions, making it a lifesaver during stormy camping trips or survival situations. Its waterproof design means that even if it's submerged briefly, it will continue to work when you need it most. What sets the Laffizz Outdoor Waterproof, Windproof Torch Lighter apart is its versatility and reliability. Urban Deco Outdoor Folding Portable Table. A camping trip can become a lot more comfortable with the right table for cooking, eating, or organizing your gear. The Urban Deco Outdoor Folding Portable Table is the ideal solution for campers who need a sturdy, portable surface that can be easily packed and transported. Made from lightweight aluminum and designed with a folding mechanism, this table can be set up and packed away in seconds. Despite its portability, the table is incredibly durable and offers plenty of space for your camping stove, cookware, or meals. It's designed to handle the weight of your gear without compromising on stability or strength. Coleman Sundome Tent. A high-quality tent is the cornerstone of any camping trip, and the Coleman Sundome tent is one of the most popular options for campers who want comfort and reliability. This dome-style tent is designed to provide maximum space and comfort while offering great protection from the elements. With its easy setup design, you won't waste time trying to figure out complicated poles or structures. The tent's spacious interior allows you to stand up and move around, providing a more comfortable environment for sleeping or relaxing. Plus, its weather-resistant technology keeps you dry and safe, even in rainy or windy conditions. Hydro Flask Growler. Staying hydrated during a camping trip is crucial, and the Hydro Flask Growler makes it easier than ever to keep your beverages at the perfect temperature. Made from high-quality stainless steel and featuring Hydro Flask's signature Temp Shield technology, this growler is designed to keep your drinks cold for up to 24 hours or hot for up to 12 hours. Whether you're bringing along cold water, iced tea, or hot coffee, this growler will ensure that your beverages stay at the ideal temperature throughout the day. It's perfect for keeping your favorite drinks handy during long hikes, camping trips, or picnics. Tobtos Ultralight Camping Chair. Comfortable seating can make a huge difference in your overall camping experience, and the Tobtos Ultralight Camping Chair is designed to offer maximum comfort in a lightweight, portable package. This chair is perfect for camping, hiking, or just relaxing around the campfire. Despite its compact size, it provides excellent support with its sturdy frame and breathable fabric. The chair's lightweight design means it's easy to carry, and it folds down to a small size that fits easily in your backpack. Whether you're sitting by the fire or taking a break after a long hike, this chair provides the perfect place to relax. OneTigris Backwoods Bungalow Bushcraft Shelter. For campers who love bushcraft and want to immerse themselves in the wilderness, the OneTigris Backwoods Bungalow Bushcraft Shelter is a game changer. This shelter provides an extremely durable and sturdy setup that is ideal for building camp or living off the land. Designed with multiple uses in mind, this shelter offers protection from the elements, keeping you safe from wind, rain, and sun while you enjoy the outdoors. Its simple design allows for easy setup, making it perfect for backpackers, survivalists, and bushcraft enthusiasts alike. The shelter's rugged materials are designed to withstand harsh conditions, while its versatile design can be used for a variety of purposes, including as a base camp or even as an emergency shelter. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.